Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can customize your Google Chrome browser. If you want to change the theme, all you need to do is after opening the Google Chrome, in the bottom right corner you will find Customize Chrome. So you can click on it and then you will open this panel all on the right side. Now, if you want to change the whole theme, you can click on Change Theme button over here, where you can, for instance, upload your own image that will be used as a background. You can also use solid colors, like so. And you can also choose to refresh daily, so every day you will have a different color. You also have a bunch of different categories over here, so let's go to geometric shapes as an example, and let's choose this one. And as you can see, we have a new theme. Let's go back and let's choose the default Chrome for this time. If we go back over here, we can choose the light or dark theme, like so. And of course, we can also match it with our device. So if you have, let's say, Windows and you have dark mode enabled in your Windows system, then you can select this option and it will be synchronized with Windows. And over here you can also choose the basic colors. So as you can see, the text of Google has changed its color after changing the color over here. We can set it more orange theme. We can set yellow, and we can also create our own by using this color picker, like so. And if you want to have one of the defaults, then of course these two should be the default ones, and any other changes the color. And at the same time we can also choose follow device colors, so once again it will be synchronized with your Windows if you use Windows, of course. And below that we also have shortcuts, which are these. Over here you can add your own website or page or anything. So if you want to have quick access to a certain website, then you can add it over here, so you won't have to type it in the search bar. You will only need to click over here. And after that, once you do the changes, you can close this panel, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!